All right. Well, let's see. We had the difference squared. Oh, man. We had the difference squared. We had the sum squared, right, of two terms, sum of two terms, difference of two terms. Now they're saying let's take the product of a sum and a difference. So that's going to look like this. It's going to be a minus b times a plus b. Okay? So let's see what that equals. All right, so let me write it right over here. A minus b. Once we figure out what this is equal to, then we're going to try to figure out a shortcut, and we'll see if we can do a homework problem real quick using the shortcut. So a plus b. And what you want to do is the distributive property, right? So we're going to go a, excuse me, a times a plus b, a plus b. Then we're going to go, oh, look at this. It's a minus. We're going to go minus b times a plus b. And we got to distribute that guy through. So we end up with a squared plus a times b. And then we got to distribute this guy through, and we get negative. Now I'm going to switch the b and the a around. I'm going to write it like this: a times b, but it's a negative, right? And then a negative b times a positive b is going to be negative b squared. And then look, we got two middle terms. But what's going on with the middle terms now? They are the same thing, but opposite sign. This one's a positive ab. This one's a negative ab. So they're going to go to 0. Look at that. So my final answer comes out to be a squared minus b squared. So what are we going to look at when we see a problem like that? Well, let's go back up here and let's try to steal this one right here. So 2x minus 9, and we had 2x plus 9. Those were each squared. But now what we're going to have on these kind of problems is we're going to have 2x minus 9 times 2x plus 9. So I'm going to have 2x minus 9 times 2x plus 9. So you got to recognize when you can apply this little shortcut right down here. So part of the challenge is recognizing, okay, I got 2x minus 9 and 2x plus 9. So here's the difference, right? We have a difference over here. My arrow's not pointing exactly to the negative sign. Sorry about that. And here's a sum. So we have a product of a sum and a difference. So what we're going to do is we're not going to go ahead and distribute everything. We're not going to show all this work. We're going to try to skip to, you just take these two, multiply them together, and we get 4x squared. See, that's what it says right down here. You're going to go a squared, right? Then you're going to take and you're going to go b squared. So where are the b's? We're going to go 9 times 9. That's 81. Okay, so I'm going to put it 81 over here. But you notice we have a minus sign, so it's subtract. It's going to work that way every stinking time. Okay, so I want you to try the next three problems. So that's problems do 7, let's see, 7 through 9, right? So you're going to do 7, 8, 9. Up here you did 4 through 6. Now do 7, 8, 9. All right, good luck, everybody. I hope you get this.